Primal. Today's video is on my custom Studio Series 86 Ratchet. Here is his ambulance mode. Here's the bottom, top. There's the light bar. Here's the two blasters he comes with. They're identical. There's nothing different about either blaster. And you can store the blasters on the bottom. These pegs goes like that. Got guns stored on the bottom. For comparison, here is Ratchet next to Earthrise Optimus Prime. And Studio Series 86 Brawn. And Netflix Bumblebee. Now for Ratchet's transformation. This headlight section is usually hard to separate, but here's a trick that I learned from another YouTuber. Separate the legs, and that'll split it right from this section that would normally be hard to do. And then you take this section, fold it back, fold it back on this side, separate the arms from the legs, take this section, fold in the side window, fold up this piece, and that'll form the foot. This piece will wrap around the leg. Take this panel, fold that up. Do the same over here. Fold in the window, fold that up, bring it down, fold this back, bring that panel down, straighten out the legs, bring down the bumper, rotate the waist around, bring the waist, snap it in there, and fold in these little bits of the windows on the sides here. Bring Ratchet's head up. And fold in this, and then that'll fold in like that. And take his arms, bring them down, fold out the hands, the bumper snaps onto the back. Straighten out all the arms and stuff. And there is Studio Series 86 Ratchet in robot mode. Here Here's his robot mode. And articulation wise, his head can rotate 360, can't really look up. His arms rotate 360, can move out that far. Elbows can bend that far. He does have bicep rotation and wrist rotation. Waist rotation. If you move this panel forward, his legs can kick forward that far. And back that far. Knees can bend that far. He does have thigh rotation as well. Ankle tilt. And that is all of Ratchet's articulation. And he can hold his blasters. Just fine. So there is Ratchet holding his blasters. Now for comparison, here's Ratchet with my custom Earthrise Optimus Prime. Here is Ratchet with Netflix Bumblebee. And with Studio Series 86 Brawn. Ratchet's gun fell out of his hand before, so fix that. But here is Ratchet with my custom Siege Megatron. Here is Ratchet with Studio Series 86 Starscream. So that was my review for Transformers Studio Series 86 Ratchet.